The fifth product on this list is the BRIGHTUP All-In-1 Beard Kit. This multifunctional beard grooming kit features a professional precision shaving system. This kit comes with 6 trimmer heads as well as a stand base for easy collection and organization. There are 5 hair trimmer combs that allow you to precisely control the length of your beard, as well as the styling of your facial hair and other parts of the body. This kit has a whole body washable design for easy cleaning. The blades are detachable and simple to clean with the included brush. It has an LED display that shows battery life and reminds you to charge it. Its built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides up to 90 minutes of runtime per charge in just 1.5 hours, ensuring that high performance can be achieved anywhere. You'll also appreciate its ergonomic design. The smooth curved handle is more comfortable to hold, and the long press for 3 seconds to lock design makes it easier to use. This grooming kit has 2 speed settings and is very quiet. The 7300 RPM is suitable for daily trimming, whereas the 8800 RPM can easily cut thicker hair. When the trimmer runs, the high-quality motor will not make excessive noise, allowing you to enjoy a more relaxed, low-noise environment. Its pros are: it is a cordless beard trimmer, making it less of a hassle to use. It offers professional-grade functionality, and it comes with accessories, including a stand base, a USB charging cable, a cleaning brush, a comb, and a small bottle of blade oil. However, some users say it's not reliable for detailing after several months of use. The BRIGHTUP All-In-1 Beard Kit is an excellent grooming kit for busy men who do not have time to visit a barbershop. It's the ideal gift for men who are constantly on the go.